Welcome to Podcasting for Financial Professionals. I'm Virginia Elde, founder of Podcast Abundance, where we provide premium audio and video podcast production services exclusively for financial professionals. Now, I know your world. You're serving clients every day with advice and strategies that change their lives. You're also juggling compliance, building a team, handling the books, and trying to have a personal life outside of work. And in the middle of all that, you still know you need a way to grow your visibility, increase your authority, and generate consistent leads. That's where podcasting comes in. Podcasting, done well, is more than content. It's a business tool. It builds trust faster than a newsletter. It keeps you top of mind long after a client meeting, and it gives you a voice in an industry where credibility matters most. At Podcast Abundance, we live by our values: simplicity, responsibility, trustworthiness, lifelong learning, and over-communication. That means we cut through the noise, make podcasting stress-free, and help you focus on what you do best: sharing your expertise. My team and I handle the post-production, editing, publishing, and repurposing so that your podcast works harder for you across multiple platforms. And on the front end, I guide you through strategy and setup so your episodes land with impact from day one. I recently worked with a financial professional who'd been struggling to stay consistent with her marketing. She knew she needed visibility, but blogging felt like a chore, and social media was just absolutely draining her soul of life. After launching her podcast with a clear strategy, she told me, "I've had more warm conversations with potential clients in the last 60 days than I did in the entire year before." Everything was cold before that. Why? Because her podcast became a magnet. It gave her the platform to answer questions for her best clients where they were already asking these things, and it made following up at conferences and networking events so much easier. The podcast didn't become one more thing to do on her list. It became the center of her marketing. That's the kind of clarity and relief that I want for you. This show isn't about fluff or the theory of podcasting. Every episode is designed with intention to give you confidence, ideas, and practical strategies you can actually use to build a podcast that grows your practice without adding a mountain of work to your schedule. You'll hear from other financial professionals who've already made podcasting a part of their business strategy. I ask them to share how they got started, what's working for them, and even what they would do differently if they were starting over today. You'll also get my best insights into podcast SEO, repurposing, and systems that help you make the most of your time. And when you're ready to dive even deeper, I've built a complete resources page at podcastabundance.com. It's packed with free downloads, equipment and software recommendations, and step-by-step guides to simplify the entire podcasting process just for you. Visit podcastabundance.com/resources to get everything there. Whether you're still considering launching or you're already running your show, that page will give you the tools to save time and get results faster. So here's what to do. Hit follow in your podcast app or subscribe to this channel on YouTube if that's your preference. But more importantly, don't stop there. Jump into the latest episode right now. Every new release is created to help you get more visible, increase your authority, and generate leads for your business through podcasting. This is your marketing arm that works for you while you sleep. This is your chance to stand out in a crowded industry. And this is your show. Welcome to Podcasting for Financial Professionals.